Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am solving SSLC Annual Examination 2022 Mathematics 3 marks questions. Let's start the video. 25th question is, the sum of first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is 144 and its 9th term is 28. Then find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression. Given that sum of first 9 terms of an AP, that is S9 equals 144 and 9th term is A9 which equals 28. In your textbook there is a one line, that is, if there are only n terms in an AP, then An equals L is the last term. Then we see that S equals n by 2 into A plus L. That means sum of first n terms equals n by 2 into first term plus last term. Therefore, we can use this formula in this question. That is, Sn equals n by 2 into A plus An. Here An is nth term. Therefore, sum of first 9 terms of an AP is S9 equals 9 by 2 into first term A plus A9. Therefore, shift all the terms of right hand side except A to the left. That will give A equals 2 by 9 into S9 minus A9, which equals 2 by 9 into sum of first 9 terms, that is 144, minus 9th term, that is 28. After simplification, you will get 2 into 16 minus 28, which equals 4. Therefore, first term is A. 9th term will be A9 equals A plus 8t, implies D equals A9 minus A whole divided by 8. Substitute 9th term, that is D equals 28 minus 4 whole divided by 8, which equals 24 by 8, which equals 3. Therefore, common difference D is 3. This is the answer for this question. 26th question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than its shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, then find the sides of the field. Or, in a right angled triangle, the length of the hypotenuse is 13 cm. Among the remaining two sides, the length of one side is 7 cm more than the other side. Find the sides of the triangle. Here there are two questions in this question. Now let's take the first question. Here, length of the diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side and the length of the longer side is 30 meter more than its shorter side. Draw the rectangle that will see like this. Here I am taking length of the shorter side as x. Therefore, length of the longer side will be x plus 30 and the length of the diagonal will be 60 plus x. Here, apply Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC. In your textbook, there is a one theorem, that is theorem 2.8, which states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. If you apply Pythagoras theorem for triangle ABC, then we get sum of the other two sides, that is shorter side and longer side, which equals square of the length of the diagonal in the triangle ABC. Therefore, x square plus x plus 30 whole square equals x plus 60 whole square. After simplification, you will get x square plus 900 plus 60x equals x square plus 3600 plus 120x. Shift all the right hand side to the left hand side, then we will get x square minus 60x minus 2700 equals 0. That is x square minus, I will write 60 as 90 minus 30 into x minus 2700 as 90 into 30, which equals 0. We can also write this quadratic equation like x minus 90 into x plus 30 equals 0. Therefore, x is 90 or x is minus 30. Here, x is length of the shortest side, that is, length should be always a positive integer. Therefore, x is equals to minus 30 is not possible. Therefore, length of the shorter side will be positive term, that is 90, which implies x plus 30, that is length of the shorter side will be 120. Therefore, sides of the given fields are 90 meter and 120 meter. This is the answer for this first part of the question. Let's move to the next, that is given length of the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Let's take length of one side as x, then length of the other side will be x plus 7, given that length of the other side is 7 meter more than the other side. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem we can write x square plus x plus 7 whole square equals 13 square. After simplification we get x square plus 49 plus 14x equals 169. After simplification you will get 2x square plus 14x minus 120 equals 0. Therefore, x square plus 7x minus 60 equals 0. Now I will solve this problem using the same method, that is x square minus, I will write 7 as 5 minus 12, here minus get cancelled. After that we will get same equation like above. Therefore, x square minus 5 minus 12 into x minus 60, I can write it as 5 into 12 which equals 0. Therefore, we can write the above equation like x minus 5 into x plus 12 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 5 or x equals minus 12. Here x is length of the side, therefore it should be a positive term. Therefore, x equals to minus 12 is not possible. Therefore, x is equals to 5 implies length of the other side, that is x plus 7 equals 12. Sides of the triangles are 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. This is the answer for this question. 27th question is, prove that sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square equals 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, or prove that secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta equals 1. Let us take the given expression as E equals sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. Expand the given equation, that is E equals sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a secant a, which equals sin square a plus cosecant square a is also written as 1 plus cot square a plus 2 sin a into cosecant a will be 1 by sin a plus cos square a plus secant square a is also written as 1 plus tan square a plus 2 cos a into secant a will be 1 by cos a. Here sin a and cos a get cancels, and also sin square a plus cos square a value is 1. Therefore, after simplification we get 1 plus cot square a plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus tan square a, which is equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Hence, proved. This is the answer for first part of the question. Now next part is, let us take the given expression as E equals secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta, which equals secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into secant theta is 1 by cos theta plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now after taking LCM we get E equals secant theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta whole divided by cos theta. That is equals to, so we can write secant theta also as 1 by cos theta, and 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, A equals 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta, which equals cos square theta by cos square theta, which equals 1. Therefore, A equals 1. Hence, proved. This is the answer for this question. 28th question is, find the coordinates of the point on the line segment joining the points A of minus 1, 7 and B of 4, minus 3, which divides AB internally in the ratio 2:3, or find the area of triangle PQR with vertices P of 0, 4 Q of 3, 0 and R of 3, 5. Let us take the given points A of -1, 7 and B of 4, -3, and the ratio is m:n equals 2:3. Let's draw the line AB. So here P is a point which divides the given points internally in the ratio 2:3 like in the diagram. Now we know that if the point P is cutting the line internally in the ratio m:n, then we can write P equals mx2 plus nx1 whole divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 whole divided by m plus n. So here we know the values of m and n, and x1 y1 will be -1, 7 and x2 y2 will be 4, -3. Therefore P equals 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 whole divided by 2 plus 3, comma 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 whole divided by 2 plus 3, which equals 8 minus 3 whole divided by 5, comma -6 plus 21 whole divided by 5 equals 5 by 5, comma 15 by 5 equals 1, 3. Therefore point P equals 1, 3. This is the answer for this question. And move on to the next part of this question, that is, given vertices are P of 0, 4, Q of 3, 0 and R of 3, 5. Compare this equation with x1 y1 equals 0, 4, x2 y2 equals 3, 0, x3 y3 equals 3, 5. So we know that area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is A equals half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substitute values of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3, then we get area equals half of 0 into 0 minus 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 4 plus 3 into 4 minus 0, which equals half of 3 plus 12 equals 15 by 2, that is 7.5 square units. So area of the given triangle is 7.5 square units. This is the answer for this question. 29th question is, find the mean for the following grouped data by direct method. In this question they given class interval and frequency, so we need to find mean for this grouped data. For that, first we need to find the class marks of the each class interval. We know that class marks equals upper limit plus lower limit whole divided by 2. So if you consider first case, in the first row the upper limit is 20 and lower limit is 10. Therefore class mark will be 10 plus 20 by 2, which equals 15. Similarly for second row also, that will give 20 plus 30 by 2 equals 25, and so on up to 50 to 60. Now this will give class marks of the each class interval. Multiply given frequency with class mark, that is fi into xi. Then we get 30 for first row, 75 for second row, 175 for third row, 315 for fourth row and 165 for fifth row. Now add all these entries fi xi, then we get sigma fi xi equals 760, and add all the entries of frequency column, that will give sigma fi equals 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3, which equals 20. Therefore we know that the formula for mean is equals to sigma fi xi whole divided by sigma fi, which equals 760 by 20 equals 38. This is the answer for this question. There is another question in this 29th question, that is, find the mode for the following grouped data. Now here also they given class interval and frequency. To find mode, first we need to understand the question carefully. Here maximum frequency given is 8 and their corresponding class interval is 25 to 35. Therefore the model class is 25 to 35. Now here lower limit is 25 and upper limit is 35. Therefore, class size will be h, that will be equals 10, because 35 minus 25 is 10. Now frequency of that corresponding model class is 8. The frequency of a class preceding the model class, that is f0 equals 4, and frequency of a class that succeeding the model class, that is f2 equals 7. Therefore we know the formula for mode, that equals L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So substitute all the values that we have calculated above. That will gives mode equals 25 plus 8 minus 4 whole divided by 2 into 8 minus 4 minus 7 into 10, which equals 25 plus 4 divided by 16 minus 11 into 10 equals 25 plus 4 by 5 into 10 equals 25 plus 8, that is 33. Therefore mode for the given group data is 33. This is the answer for this question. 30th question is, during a medical checkup of 50 students of a class, their heights were recorded as follows. Draw less than type ogive for the given data. Now they given height in centimeter and the number of students, that is cumulative frequency. You just observe the given table. Here they given upper limits of the heights. Now first draw coordinate axis with upper limits along x-axis and cumulative frequency along y-axis. Now to get less than type ogive, first locate the points 140, 5, 145, 10, 150, 15, 155, 25, 160, 40 and 165, 50 on the coordinate axis. Now join all these points by using your hand, then you will get less than type ogive. This is the answer for this question. 31st question is, prove that the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Let us consider a circle whose center is at O. Now consider the point P outside the circle. Locate the 2 points R and Q on the circle as shown in figure. After that, join the point O with PQ and R. Now, if you observe the diagram, it is come to know that OQ and OR are the radii of the circle. Therefore, OQ equals OR. Let us consider the triangles OQP and ORP such that OP is common to both triangles. And also we know that the angle between tangent and radius at the point of contact is 90 degree. In the diagram, PQ and PR are the tangents and OQ and OR are the radius. Therefore, angle between them should be 90 degree. That is, angle OQP equals angle ORP, that is equals 90 degree. Finally, for triangles OQP and ORP, we can write OP is common side to both triangles, OQ equals OR, and also angle OQP equals angle ORP. Therefore, we can say that triangle OQP is equal to triangle ORP. Therefore, their corresponding sides are also equal. That is, OQ equals OR, OP equals OP, and also PQ equals PR. That is, lengths of the tangents PQ and PR drawn from the point P to the circle should be equal. Hence, PQ equals PR. This is the answer for this question. 32nd question is, construct 2 tangents to a circle of radius 3 cm from a point 8 cm away from its center. Now, let us draw the coordinate axis. Given that radius of the given circle is 3 cm. Therefore, locate the point 3, 0 in the x-axis and by taking 3, 0 as a center, draw the circle of radius 3 cm. Now, locate the point -5, 0 on negative x-axis and name it as point P, such that the distance between the P and O will be 8 cm. Now, we need to find the midpoint of the points P and O. We can find the midpoint in three ways. Number one, by seeing the graph only we can say that the midpoint is -1, 0. Number two, by using midpoint formula. Number three, by using graphical method. Here I am using graphical method. Let us take the compass, place the sharp end at the point P and place the pencil end at the point O such that the distance between the two ends will be 8 cm. Now by placing the sharp end at the point P, draw the small curves above and below the graphs as shown in figure. Place the sharp end at the point O and cross the small curves which are drawn initially. Join the points of intersection of those two small curves such that the line crosses the x-axis at the point M of -1, 0. That is the midpoint of the points P and O. Now by taking M as a center and MO as a radius, draw the another circle so that it passes through the points P and O and also crosses the circle at the points Q and R as shown in figure. Now draw the lines from the point P to the points Q and R so that the lines PQ and PR are the required tangents. This is the answer for this question. 33th question is, the volume of a solid right circular cylinder is 2156 cm3. If the height of the cylinder is 14 cm, find its curved surface area. Take pi equals 22/7. Now, given that the volume of a cylinder V equals 2156 cm3 and also given that height of the cylinder H equals 14 cm. We know that the formula for volume of a cylinder is V equals pi r square H. We can also write r square equals V by pi H, which equals 2156 whole divided by 22/7 into 14, which equals 2156 divided by 22 into 2. Therefore r square equals 49. Therefore r equals 7 cm. This is the radius of base of the cylinder. Therefore cross sectional area of the given cylinder will be A equals 2 pi RH, which equals 2 into 22/7 into 7 into 14, which equals 44 into 14, that is 616. Therefore cross sectional area of the cylinder is 616 centimeter square. This is the answer for this question. If you like this video, then press the like button. If you got any benefit from this video, then share this video with your friends also. If you have any query regarding problem solving, then comment on the video. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.